Hi friends, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make bentonite clay toothpaste. And to get started, what you're going to need is the bentonite clay. I get this one off of Amazon. I make sure to get the food grade just in case it does get ingested. You want to make sure that you're using one that's safe to ingest. And then also we're going to need some sea salt. I'll be using Himalayan pink salt today. And then also organic essential oils. This is the brand that I use. I get it off Amazon as well. And then also organic coconut oil, Amazon as well. And then some filtered water. And also you're going to want a container to use once we're all finished. And for this I do use a parchment paper because it does have metal as the lid. When you're using bentonite clay, you want to make sure that you don't use any metal utensils because with the bentonite clay, it is good for detoxifying for heavy metals. So if you do use metal with it, it will lose its benefit. Okay, so to get started, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of the bentonite clay powder. Okay, and then we need 1 tablespoon of our coconut oil. And then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of our water. Okay, and then once we have those ingredients in here, I like to just start to get it mixed up before adding our essential oils. Okay, and then once we have it mixed up, that's when I like to add my essential oils. You can add it in when you add all the other ingredients in together. So whichever essential oil you're using, I do 20 drops. If you want to use more or less, up to you. Okay, and then I just get that mixed around again. And then once I have this all mixed up, then we're gonna get it into our container. Okay, and then easy as that, we have our own homemade toothpaste. This recipe for me lasts about a month. If you have a bigger family, if you want to double the recipe, you can. This stuff will stay good for a few months. So the bentonite clay in this recipe is really good. It's rich in minerals and it helps strengthens gums and decreases sensitivity. And it also absorbs toxins. The peppermint oil or whichever essential oil you want to use, which is either the peppermint oil or a citrus, you just want one that's going to help with antibacterial and is going to help kill all those germs. The sea salt in this recipe is also an added mineral, which is going to help mineralize your teeth. The coconut oil that we have is also going to help kill bacteria and also help whiten those teeth. So I really hope that you try this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love it. Just be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be sharing a lot more recipes and DIYs for all natural ingredients, especially using the bentonite clay. There's so many different recipes you can use. We'll be doing like a foot detox, armpit detox, face masks. There's so many uses for it. So I would definitely suggest you buying the bentonite clay. Do your own research on it because I feel that it's a really good ingredient to keep around your house. There's There's so many uses for it. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.